Protein powders are a quick way to help ensure that your body is nourished and satisfied. Amateur athletes need protein powder to support their exercise regime. It can be a highly convenient way to ensure you have all the fuel required to repair and build muscle after a workout. However, picking between the vast range of protein powders available is difficult. So if you're interested in buying one, we can help you with some of the best in the business. Take a look at the description below to see all the featured products and their buy links. Our list begins with the Organe organic plant-based protein powder. It is a naturally smooth and delicious nourishment drink with 21 grams of organic protein and 5 grams of organic fiber per serving. This protein shake powder is great to mix with water or milk post-workout or while you're on the go through your busy day. It dissolves readily in your favorite smoothie, almond milk, or even water, and it's delicious. Whether you are strength training, a busy professional, on a health journey, or a mom on the go, this protein powder serves up complete organic nutrition that will leave you feeling energized and satisfied. On the other hand, you can enjoy this protein powder knowing that it is purposely made with only the best ingredients. Experience world-class muscle recovery and muscle support with this Dymatize ISO 100 hydrolyzed 100% whey protein. This whey protein has a whopping 5.5 grams of BCCAs that aids in muscle recovery and other mass building. With 110 to 120 calories per serving, ISO 100 can help support your keto diet, low-carb diet, or high-protein diet. On the other hand, it is a hydrolyzed isolate protein powder, which means it is super fast digesting and absorbing. Forget excess sugar, carbs, and calories in your high-protein shake. It contains 1 gram of sugar, 2 grams carbs, and 120 calories per serving, and supports keto diets and calorie-conscious diets. This protein offers 11.8 grams of EAAs, including 5.5 grams BCAAs and 2.7 grams leucine per serving, and essential amino acids, which include branched-chain amino acids, supports muscle growth, recovery, and maintenance. Up next on the list, we have the Muscle Farm Combat Protein Powder. It has been engineered for athletes seeking to maintain lean muscle and replenish nutrients after workouts to fuel muscle recovery and performance. This protein powder helps build lean muscle mass, while BCAAs and glutamine enhance muscle recovery. It includes BCAAs to support recovery, muscle development, maintenance, and glutamine to help build, repair, and protect muscles. Plus, it is precision engineered with whey protein concentrates, hydrolysates and isolates, egg albumin, and micellar casein. This helps create a muscle-building environment for more extended periods, resulting in more incredible muscle building, recovery, and performance. The PB Fit all-natural peanut butter powder is made with 3 simple ingredients: peanuts, coconut palm sugar, and salt. It has 87% less fat and about 1/3 of the calories than regular peanut butter. Yet it's made from real roasted, pressed peanuts. Each serving of PB Fit is packed with protein. You can get a boost of protein right before your workout. You can also blend it into breakfast smoothies and other drinks for a tasty, low-fat protein boost after the gym. With 8 grams of protein in 1 serving of natural PB Fit, you'll get a boost of protein right before your workout. Additionally, it delivers classic peanut butter flavor in a low-fat option. Next up on the list, we have Isopure Zero Carb. With each serving of this zero-carb whey protein, your body gets a boost of 25 grams of pure proteins. It also contains several minerals and vitamins. These nutrients help you absorb the other nutrients that you derive from your diet and are, therefore, able to keep your energy levels high. Isopure contains glutamine, which is an essential amino acid for muscle recovery. With a good source of amino acids, you can also build better quality muscles that will be beneficial to you for the rest of your life. Further, this product is free from any gluten, lactose, or other fillers that often compromise the product's quality. You can also mix it with skimmed milk to make a thick shake, which is best that you consume it right after your workout for the best results. Meet up the all-new Vega Sport Premium Protein Powder. This protein powder comes with 30 grams of plant-based protein powder with 5 grams BCAA amino acids and 5 grams glutamic acid. Its amino acid profile contains 9 essential amino acids from pea protein powder, pumpkin seed, organic sunflower seed. Also, it supports post-workout with ingredients like tart cherry, turmeric extract, and 2 billion CFU probiotics to help build muscle and support recovery. Plus, this product is a keto-friendly protein powder for women and men with 3 grams net carbs. No artificial sweeteners, flavors, colors, lactose and dairy-free, soy-free, and non-whey. Additionally, it has a smooth taste and texture. You can blend or shake it with water or your choice of beverage post-workout, or even add some fruit to make a tasty protein-packed smoothie. Last on the video, but at the top of the list, we have the Optimum Nutrition Gold Standard. It boasts 24 grams of protein per serving, 100% of it from whey. There are also 120 calories and 5.5 grams of BCAAs and 4 grams of glutamine per serving. This whey protein is blended with whey protein isolate and ultra-filtered whey protein concentration, facilitating lean muscle growth. It also contains a faster digesting protein that helps muscle recovery and growth. The lactase and aminogen digestive enzymes on this protein powder enhance utilization and improve endurance, stamina, and vigor of an individual. Plus, this whey protein is a premium quality health supplement made to accelerate immunity and provide optimum nourishment to athletes. On the other hand, it also contains 40 milligrams cholesterol and 130 grams sodium and 3 grams of carbohydrate, also 2 grams of sugar. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up to show your support. And last, if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button. Have a great day.